Hello everybody, please do welcome to my class. We have earlier occasions we discussed consonant letters and sounds. Here we are going to discuss vowels. This can be broadly classified into two, namely pure vowels and diphthongs. Pure vowels means single sound. This will see the word E, long sound, E, A, A, U, A, A. In Tamil, only one quill sound, middle sound, only two things each. But in English, we are having 1, 2, 3, similarly, 1, 2, 3. See, in English phonetics, we are having alone, we are having 3 sounds. But the way in which we are using is entirely different. But in Tamil, it will be the same. Like, the sound will be like this. But in English, whenever we pronounce man, van, can, like this, one this is order, this is out, all right, like this is one. Similarly, this is a short sound, gun, fun, F-U-N, fun, gun, G-U-N, gun, like this. Other one is mad, made, make, like this. This another one is eat, deed. Both can be used, both initial sound, middle sound and ending sound. You can use in 3 places. One is initial form, another one is medial form, middle form, and third one is ending form. The first one is eat, beginning form, initial form, deed, medial form, knee, ending form. Similarly, E, this is a short sound, it. This is eat, this is it. Pin, pity, E, pity. Similarly, A, initial form, egg, egg. Pen, in, pen, medial. There will be no finding letters, ending letters. Another one is a. This under, under, luck. Another one is this man, fan, like this axe. Similarly, pat, medial sense. Pat, mat, rat, cat, like this. Another one is sound. Arm, ram, warm, like this. Another one is orange. Other one is August. August. Caught. Past tense for catch. Caught. Saw. Ending form. Saw. Saw. Awesome. Similarly, woo. This can be used only in the middle sense alone. Woo. Woo. Good. Good. Wood. Like this you can use. No finals. Similarly, woo. Long sound. Wooze. Woo. Food. Food. Blue. Blue. Another one is early. Early. Curd. Curd. Occur. Similarly, last one, amount. Ignorance. Father. All the relatives are coming under this form. Father, mother, brother, sister, daughter, engineer. Like this. These are all ending with ending with final stage. So this is what you call, they are called pure vowels showing single sound. On the contrary to this one, here we are going to discuss diphthongs, double sound in a single word. Eight. See the word eight. Eight. Eyes. Oil. Old. How old are you? But we are asking in Tanglish, how old are you? This is wrong. But phonetically speaking, you have to say old. How old are you? How old are you? Like this. Another one is out. Out. Yeah. 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 Gao. Gao. Where? Where? Like this you could ask. So these are all coming under double sounds. This double sounds are called in English diphthongs, having two vowel sounds together. When we pronounce, when we read the things, we have to keep these points without fail in our mind to have perfect, good English, and thereby we could attract the people. As I told you in the earlier occasions, your speech should be full of vigor and power, solid in substance, colorful and rhetorical, and keep everybody else with whom you are talking under your feet by Almighty's grace. With this, let's wind up this session. Thank you one and all.